I've helped over 100 people begin to make 10K a month with Amazon FBA, and one of the most common things I notice with people who do not succeed is they're using the incorrect framework. They're trying different methods that don't work with Amazon FBA. And if you don't believe me, I've sold millions of dollars on Amazon with this exact method that I'm about to show you in this video, and I'm gonna break it down in a simple way how you can use its different filters to find tons of profitable products for Amazon FBA. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to get to 10K a month with Amazon FBA because of how fast this software works when you're sourcing profitable products. So with that being said, let's get into the video so you can see exactly how this works and how you can get onto your path of making 10K a month with Amazon FBA. And as always, if you got value, please drop a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Well, let's get into it.
All right, guys, so the software that I was mentioning in the video is Keepa, but we are not using it in the typical way that most people use it. Most people do not use this particular method, and it is the Keepa product finder. It is just one tool inside of Keepa that allows you to sift through leads and find the most profitable ones, the fastest selling. However you make of it, you can create it with the filter. So it's going to essentially filter through the entire Amazon database and find you leads on the criteria that you're looking for. It's absolutely amazing. You don't have to storefront stock with it. You can. I'm going to show you that as well. But you can do tons of different things with it. And yeah, so let's dive into it. Some of the things you can do with it is find leads without a sales rank. Just by checking this box right here, you can find deals without sales rank. You can also filter by like drops in the price percentage. So like if you want buy box percentage to only drop by 10%, you can do something like -10 here. So you can do really cool things with it. And that will show you like stable buy box in a sense. Let's say we want to filter out leads that sell at least 100 times a month. We can put the 90-day filter as a max for 100K. So that's the way you can find fast-moving leads and filter out all the ones that don't really sell. So that's a really powerful way you can use it. And you can also have Amazon out of stock. So if you don't want to deal with Amazon at all, you can put them out of stock. And this will show all deals where Amazon is not in stock. And then another thing you're definitely going to want to do is scroll down here. So if you scroll down, you can go to title, brand, and more, and you can sort it by the niche that you want. So let's say you only want to look at beauty. You can sort it by beauty. So you can do tons of different things with the product finder. It's amazing. And then you can go into subcategories. If you're looking for backpacks, you could type something in like backpack. So it's a really powerful way to get super, super granular and find different opportunities, especially with like seasonal opportunities, or just if you're trying to dive into, let's say, I don't know, like supplements or something like that, it's going to help you find it that way. But yeah, and then you can also filter by brand, or you can exclude brands. Let's say you don't want to sell Nike, for example. You can have Nike as none of here, and this will exclude any listings that have Nike as the brand. And if you want to only see Nike, you can do it the other way around. So you can go Nike, and now we're only going to see Nike listings. So there's 43K Nike listings under 100K rank, which is actually insane. So that just goes to show power of Nike, power of focusing on one particular brand. So the offer count is definitely the next one important thing that you definitely want to be paying attention to. Now, you can sort it by the amount of sellers on the listing. So let's say we want Nike listings, or let's say we want, I don't know, we can do Nike, for example. Let's say we want Nike listings where there's 6 sellers or more, so it's kind of showing that it has arbitrage opportunity. People are already looking at it. So now it goes down to 10K. So that's like a way you can kind of filter this out. Obviously, Nike is a little bit more broad, so you could do like backpacks. Now we have Nike backpacks, for example. So now we got 18 Nike backpacks. So that's just how you can really narrow it down and get granular, and that you'll probably find some stuff to flip for back to school just by looking at that search. But yeah, there's so many different things. We covered subcategories. We covered no sales rank, keeping Amazon out of the listing. You can also do like downtrending Keepas. So like what you would essentially do, let's say we're looking for Keepa graphs that have less than 12 sellers currently, and then the 90-day average is 25 or more. So you can see there's 25 or more sellers in the 90-day. Current sellers are 12. So that just, obviously we're really granular here. So like we would have to take out Nike. But if you wanted to find Nike products that are downtrending or offer count, seller count is decreasing, which likely means the price is going up, you can use this filter to do that, which is awesome. So let's say we wanted to actually focus on a particular seller. Another thing you can do is we can kind of restart this search here, maybe get rid of some of these. maybe put like a filter of 6 here. So we can exclude any brands, and we can scroll to the top. We kind of want to keep all of that in there. So anything we had before, keep it. Just get rid of the brands and stuff, the really specific stuff. And if you go down here to buy box, there's a seller section here, and you can actually add specific sellers into the listing. So let's say we go through this listing and we're looking for sellers who have around 20 or more review count. So we're looking for sellers who are probably doing online arbitrage, and this one has a 94. So this one has 108. These two look good. Then you can take their seller ID right here, and you can copy and paste their seller ID. So it's just the seller equals a right here. As you can see, you copy that whole ID right where it ends at the and symbol. And then you can separate by a comma. And now you're looking at only these sellers' products. So you can see you can hit the find search bar, and you're finding it by particular sellers, which is absolutely insane. You can really just get super, super granular, and you can really just deep dive into it. You can see this is all the products that these two sellers sell at our criteria. So it looks like there's tons of online arbitrage opportunities in there. So that's awesome. So that's another way that you can use it to storefront stock. But you can also get super granular. Like if you want to find all their listings that are under a 50K rank, or all their listings that are downtrending, you can do something like that too. You can also play with the bottom tab, has like the date the listing was created. So you can play around with that and put like right up here where it was listed since. So like this was the product that was first listed on Amazon. You can do listings that are 2 months old just by doing the start date 2 months ago. So there's really cool things that you can do with it. And I cover a lot more in depth on all of these things that I'm showing you on my YouTube channel. So if you want to check out those other videos, tons of videos on the product finder showing the various methods in more detail. But yeah, there's so many things that you can do with it. The options are limitless. You can also manually source with the product finder if you wanted to. So like one thing I would do is let's say SodaStream's running a sale. So you can plug in SodaStream as the brand, which they did run a big Memorial Day sale. So you can plug in SodaStream as the brand, get rid of the sellers here because you don't want to limit yourself to just those sellers. And we're looking for listings that have 6 or more sellers. So there's 71 products on this search under 100K rank, 70 sellers, or not 70 sellers, sorry, 6 sellers or more, and 71 products. So you can actually have a list of profitable products here and then go to the website. So like if SodaStream's running 30% off, you can look at this product, see if it's profitable on SodaStream. So it really just streamlines the sourcing process and makes your life 100% easier. It's one of the most effective ways to source profitable products, and it's a large part into how we've gotten to 1.5 million a year. It is just an absolute Swiss Army knife when it comes to sourcing. And if you grasp using this tool, you'll definitely be well on your way to making 10K a month with Amazon FBA. So I hope you guys got some value from this video. And as always, if you did, definitely hit that subscribe button and tune in for some more Keepa Product Finder videos. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.